There are two kinds of mornings. One where you walk into a clean, peaceful kitchen, the living room is calm, and the day feels like it is already on your side. And another kind, dishes piled up, counters cluttered, the house looking like it gave up overnight. The women who always wake up to a clean home are not doing anything magical. They are not spending hours cleaning every night. They are quietly doing 10 simple habits before bed, and those habits do all the heavy lifting while they sleep. These are those 10 habits. If you want a cleaner, calmer home, subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and hit the like button right now. Share this with someone who needs it, and leave a comment below telling us which habit you are going to start with tonight. Research in environmental psychology tells us something most people never think about. The state of your home directly affects your stress levels. A cluttered environment raises cortisol, drains focus, and disrupts sleep. Waking up to mess is not just inconvenient, it quietly takes energy from you before the day even begins. The good news is that keeping a clean home does not require hours of hard work. It requires the right habits at the right time. Evening habits, specifically, are the ones that make the biggest difference, because what you do before bed determines what you wake up to. Here are the 10 habits that make all the difference. Night habit of women number 1. Close the kitchen every night. The kitchen collects mess faster than any other room. By evening, it holds dishes, crumbs, spills, packaging, and leftover food that was going to be put away in a minute. Women who wake up to clean homes treat the kitchen like a business at the end of the day. They close it down. Dishes go in the dishwasher, counters get wiped, the sink is cleaned, leftovers are stored, trash goes out if it needs to. This matters more than it looks. A dirty kitchen does not just sit there looking messy. It grows bacteria on surfaces, develops odors, and creates stress the moment you walk in the next morning. Studies also show that people who maintain a clean kitchen tend to make healthier food choices because the space feels inviting rather than chaotic. Night habit of women number 2. Do one small cleaning task each night. This single habit eliminates the need for exhausting weekend cleaning marathons. Instead of letting everything pile up, pick one small task each evening and finish it in under 10 minutes. Monday, a load of laundry. Tuesday, wipe the kitchen appliances. Wednesday, sweep or vacuum the floor. Thursday, clean the bathroom sink. Friday, tidy baseboards or forgotten corner. By the weekend, the house is already in good shape. Behavioral scientists call this microtasking. The brain resists huge cleaning sessions because they feel overwhelming, but one small task feels easy every night. Over a week, those small tasks quietly add up to a fully maintained home. No dread, no marathon, no lost weekend. If this is making sense to you, hit subscribe and share this video. Every week on Seniors Cleaning Hacks, we bring tips that make home life genuinely easier. Night habit number 3. Reset the living room. By evening, the living room holds the evidence of the entire day. Blankets thrown over furniture, cups on the coffee table, shoes near the sofa, remote controls buried under cushions. Women with consistently tidy homes do not leave the living room like this overnight. They take 10 minutes to fold the blankets, fluff the cushions, clear the table, return items to their rooms, and remove any cups or dishes that wandered in from the kitchen. There is a deeper reason this matters. Behavioral science shows that the last environment you see before sleep influences how your brain winds down. A cluttered room keeps the brain in low-level alert mode. It sees unfinished tasks everywhere. A calm, tidy room tells the brain the day is done. Sleep quality actually improves. 10 minutes every evening and the living room never reaches the point of overwhelming. Night habit number 4. Handle every small mess right away. This may be the most powerful habit on this entire list. Women who maintain spotless homes follow one simple rule. If something takes less than 60 seconds to deal with, they do it immediately, no exceptions. The jacket comes off, it goes on the hook. The package arrives, the cardboard goes straight to recycling. A glass is emptied, it goes in the sink. Shoes come off, they go on the rack. Organization experts call this the one-touch rule. Touch something once, put it in its final place. The opposite habit, setting things down wherever is convenient and planning to move them later, is what silently turns clean homes into cluttered ones. Every "I will deal with it later" adds one more item to a pile that grows faster than expected. 6 small things left out per night adds up to 42 items out of place by Sunday. Handle them instantly and the number stays at 0. Night habit of women number 5. Prepare tomorrow the night before. Rushed mornings are one of the biggest hidden causes of messy homes. When people are scrambling, searching for keys, grabbing clothes from the wrong place, throwing things into bags at speed, they leave disorder behind them that becomes the starting point for the rest of the day. Women who wake up to calm homes remove the morning scramble entirely by preparing the night before. Clothes are laid out, bags are packed and placed by the door, breakfast items are set on the counter, the coffee maker is ready, kids' bags are zipped and waiting. Research from sleep scientists has found that people who prepare for the next day before bed fall asleep faster because the brain is not running through mental checklists while trying to rest. The preparation is done. The day is handled. The mind can let go. Prepare at night, the morning stays calm, the house stays clean. Night habit of women number 6. 2-minute bathroom reset. Bathrooms go from clean to messy fast. Toothpaste in the sink, water on the mirror, bottles left on the counter, towels on the floor. It happens quietly during the day, and by bedtime it looks like a lot. Women with tidy homes build a 2-minute bathroom reset into bedtime. The sink gets wiped, the mirror gets a quick pass, products go back in the cabinet, towels are hung properly, the toilet lid is closed, the small bin gets emptied if it needs to. This is more than cosmetic. Bacteria thrive in warm, wet bathroom environments. A damp cloth left on the counter overnight grows bacteria significantly faster than one hung to dry. These small resets protect the room, not just its appearance. 2 minutes. That is all this habit costs, and the bathroom feels fresh every single morning. Night habit of women number 7. Tidy the bedroom before sleeping. The bedroom is the most personal room in the home, and often the most neglected when it comes to evening tidying. Worn clothes end up on the chair, books stack up on the nightstand, accessories scatter across the dresser. The bed ends up half unmade from sitting on it during the evening. Women who consistently wake up in a calm space take 3 to 5 minutes before sleep to put clothes in the hamper, clear the nightstand to just the essentials, straighten pillows and the bed, and return any stray items. Sleep medicine researchers have found that people who sleep in tidy, organized bedrooms report higher sleep quality. A clean room reduces visual stimulation. The brain is not running through mental checklists while trying to rest. The preparation is done, the day is handled, the mind can let go. A tidy bedroom is an investment in better sleep, and better sleep means more energy to keep the home clean the next day. We are almost at the final 3 habits. Drop a like if this is helpful, and make sure you are subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so you never miss content like this. Night habit of women number 8. Stop the clutter before it starts. Keeping a home clean is not only about what you clean, it is also about what you stop creating. Women who wake up to tidy homes are aware of their own evening clutter patterns, and they actively interrupt them. Common evening clutter habits that quietly destroy clean homes: leaving snack packaging on the coffee table, dropping mail on the counter just for now, leaving clothes wherever they land when getting changed, spreading charging cables across surfaces, and stacking items on stairs with good intentions of taking them up later. Interior design experts call this passive clutter accumulation, mass that forms not from laziness, but from unconscious routine. The fix is simply awareness. Once you see the pattern, you can stop it. And when the source of clutter dries up, maintaining the home takes far less effort than before.
Cleaning up clutter is reactive. Stopping clutter habits is proactive. The women who always have clean homes are masters of the proactive approach. Night habit of women number 9, 5-minute whole home walkthrough. Before going to bed, women who maintain clean homes take a slow 5-minute walk through every room. Not a deep clean, a scan, a final check that resets the whole house and mentally closes the day. During this walkthrough, they pick up anything in the wrong place, turn off lights left on, confirm the kitchen is closed, push in chairs, straighten throw pillows, move shoes to the entryway, and collect any cups or dishes that ended up in the wrong room. This habit catches what every other habit missed. No system is perfect, but a 5-minute walkthrough acts as a safety net. It picks up the odds and ends that slip through and makes sure the entire home, not just individual rooms, is reset before sleep. Many women who practice this also use it as a quiet moment of appreciation, noticing the clean surfaces and the calm the habits have created. That feeling reinforces the desire to keep it going.
Night habits of women number 10. End the night with a home reset ritual. The 10th habit ties everything together. It is not one task, it is a mindset. Women who always wake up to a clean home have turned their evening routine into a home reset ritual. They do not think of it as chores, they think of it as closing the day with intention. This ritual combines everything: one final check of the kitchen, moving items back to their rooms, straightening shared spaces, confirming tomorrow is prepared, and completing the walkthrough. Some women light a candle while they do it. Others play music they love. The point is that it has become something they look forward to rather than something they dread. Research on habit formation shows that habits stick when they are paired with positive feelings. By making the nightly reset feel calming and enjoyable rather than obligatory, these women have turned it into something their brains actually want to do. That is how consistency becomes effortless. The reset ritual also works as a mental boundary between the day and rest. It tells the brain the day is truly over, the home is in order, tomorrow is ready, the space is peaceful. That mental closeout reduces late-night anxiety and eases the transition into sleep. End every night on your terms. Reset the home, close the day with intention, and wake up to the morning you deserve. Why these habits actually work. None of these 10 habits require an overhaul of your lifestyle. Combined, they take less than 30 minutes most evenings, often much less. But they completely change how the home feels and functions. Habits that are repeated at the same time in the same context become automatic within about 66 days. That is just over 2 months before these evening routines feel as natural as brushing your teeth. After that point, a clean home stops being something you work toward. It becomes the default. There is also an emotional and relationship benefit that rarely gets mentioned. Consistent home maintenance reduces friction between the people who share the space. Mess is one of the most common sources of household tension. When the habits are in place and the results speak for themselves, that tension dissolves. The home becomes a place everyone genuinely enjoys being. A clean home is not a luxury, it is a daily act of care, for yourself, for the people you live with, and for the life you are building inside those walls. 10 night habits, 10 small actions done consistently before bed. That is the entire secret behind homes that always look effortlessly clean. Close the kitchen, run one small task, reset the living room, handle every mess immediately, prepare for tomorrow, reset the bathroom, tidy the bedroom, stop clutter habits before they start, do the walkthrough, and end with a full home reset ritual. Pick one tonight. Build from there. By the end of the week, the difference will be noticeable. By the end of the month, it will feel like simply who you are. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Leave a comment below telling us which habit you are starting with tonight. We read every single one. See you in the next video.